Hi, good morning. Let's take a look at our star question of the day. Which list shows the numbers not in order from least to greatest? So I want you to push pause on the video and see if you can figure out the answer. Okay, so hopefully you're back and you have picked an answer. So let's take a look at these four choices that we have. Now, what we want to keep in mind is that we are picking the incorrect order. So what they are not, not in order. And then also from least to greatest. So they could be incorrect order and not in least to greatest, right? They could be from greatest to least. So we want to either look for something that's incorrect or something that is not least to greatest. Okay, so if we did our place value chart, which I think is a great strategy for these, and it looks like all of ours start with the one. So we can do a ones place value right here with the decimal, and then tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Okay, so if we took a look at this first one, we would have 4.036. There we go. 4.08, 4.2, and 4.201. And I'm going to fill in my blank spots with zeros because I think that's really helpful in knowing what the value is of that place value. So we are looking for least to greatest. And when we don't find it, we know that that is our answer. So we have no value in tenths, 3 in hundredths, no value in tenths, 8 in hundredths, so that's correct. A 2 in tenths, and then a 2 in tenths, no value, and a 1. So A is correct. It is ordered in from least to greatest. So we can count out A. We don't need to worry about A. Okay, let's take a look at our second one. It would be 3.09, 3.1, 3.607, and 3.9. Okay, and putting zeros everywhere. Already off the bat, I can see if I just look in our tenths place value, it goes from 0, 1, 6, 9. And that's exactly what we're looking for. So it is not going to be B. Okay, let's take a look at C. 6 and 4/10, 6 and 51 hundredths, 6 and 387 thousandths, and 6 and 995 thousandths. And if I fill in my zeros and look at my tenths, it goes from 4 to 5 to 3 to 9. That is a problem, isn't it? If it goes from 5 to 3, it's going down in value, not going up. So C is certainly a contender, but we need to make sure that D for whatever reason isn't also an answer. Okay, so let's look at 7 and 315 thousandths, 7 and 38 hundredths. I could put a 0 there. 7 and 406 thousandths, and 7 and 500. Filling in my zeros, looking at my tenths, 3, 3, 4, 5. And if I look at my tenths, it doesn't matter what are in my hundredths and thousands, right? Because if we are looking from least to greatest, we're going to look at the biggest place value. So if we look at the ones, these are all the same. So look to the tenths. Okay, and if we look here, we see that it goes from least to greatest, which is exactly what we want. So it can't be D. So our answer must be C. Did you get it correct? If not, maybe consider next time. In fact, I highly encourage you, if you have a question like this on your benchmark, creating a place value chart and plugging your numbers in, putting in zeros in the blank spaces.